Yesterday.
So what's very random? Lily's here to help me with random stuff. Let's check it out. So, random stuff. What's random to you? So the idea is we're going to talk about random stuff, and led by the master Lily here, we kind of looked at Google for random stuff and it just come with random number generator. So we said random and it come with 1, 4, 7, rubbish. This is the most pointless random video ever, but rock and roll, gonna, you know, rock it. So we're gonna drag this out as long as we possibly can, just because it's random. I'm gonna ask you, why do you want to be a YouTuber?
I find it fun.
You found it fun? Why do you find it fun? What is it about making videos that you like? I know you like art. What do you like to do from an artistic point of view?
Draw.
Well, what sort of things do you like to draw?
Realistic cartoons.
Why do you like drawing? What does it sort of make you feel?
It just helps. Because like, when I'm not feeling great, I just go and draw, and just after a while I'm happier.
Right.
So I can draw my feelings.
Cool. And is it like drawing or painting? What do you sort of prefer most?
Mostly drawing, because I can't do painting very well.
You said obviously you're drawing, like getting your feelings out. How do you feel after you've kind of drawn something?
A lot better than I was before.
Nice, awesome. And what sort of things do you like to draw? Is there a particular style, or is it like sort of people or objects or scenes? What's your sort of favourite?
Kind of always draw something random, just what first thing that comes to my mind. Mostly I'm just practicing my realistic eyes, and then people, cartoon people and everything.
Nice. And what is it about eyes that you like?
It's a challenge.
It's because of the detail kind of thing.
All the detail and everything makes it a challenge. And all the different videos I see about how to draw realistic eyes, they're all different and it's all confusing. And I like trying all the different ones.
Nice. Is there anything else sort of about faces that you like, or is it just eyes?
Mostly eyes and the lips I also practice.
Nice, cool.
What do you like about YouTube?
Came into YouTube from a marketing, home business marketing point of view, but I then sort of learned the kind of, I suppose, the vlogging, daily vlogging thing. So I'm trying to mesh the home business with the vlogging thing, which is tricky to be honest, but it's trying to sort of mesh the two. So kind of originally home business, but now sort of first personal development, that sort of stuff, but with a daily vlog format. And hopefully I'm succeeding with that. Home business stuff is more talking head kind of thing, but without the vlogging stuff. So that's what I'm trying to do and learning. Yeah.
Cool.
Boom. So tell me about cats. Why do you like cats?
Because they're cute.
But what is it about cats that are cute?
They're just fluffy and cute.
Fluffy and cute. What about cats on stairs?
Oh no, not this again.
It's an obvious question, but cats on stairs, cute?
Yeah.
Hilarious, apparently. One of the big questions, is water wet?
No.
Why?
Only wet if it's on the surface, because the actual water makes you wet and other things wet, but it's not wet itself.
Ooh, cheeky. What about cats? They're taller when they sit down than they are when they're standing. What does it mean?
They're part of Illuminati.
You heard it here first. What can I say? What I'm going to say, subscribe to
Lily's Life.
Get involved and smash like, subscribe. It's important. Why should they subscribe?
And turn the notification bell on so they can get notified of every vlog.
Why should they subscribe to your channel?
3 hours later.
Can you move it along? I'm all out of time cards.
Tomorrow for sure.
Don't know.
Wow. Why should they subscribe to your panel? Why should they subscribe to your channel?
Because they get to see all the art I do and they get to see everything I get up to.
Exactly. Smash like, subscribe, Lily's Life, get involved, do it, and hit the bell notification as well, because then you know exactly when Flossie here creates some art and stuff. But for now, we're going to say thank you for watching. Bye-bye. And see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.